kind of sleeping bag do you have?
So if you've ever been camping, we pretty much have those same kind of sleeping bags. And last night was the first time we had our first sleep here in space. And it was really cool because we were in our sleeping bags on top of our chairs, but we were floating on top of the chairs. And we had a seatbelt around our sleeping bags so we didn't fly away when we were sleeping.
Can you take pictures in space?
Great question. We absolutely can take pictures in space. And we've been taking a lot of both pictures and video so we can capture this moment and share it with everybody when we come home.
Are the cows on the moon?
You know, I hope there will be one day. But now, no, there aren't. But I always heard the moon was made, if you like the cartoon Wallace and Gromit. But we're going to go back to the moon soon, and we're going to investigate all kinds of things about it. And so that's like to look forward to.
And looking through the window, we can see the